So how big a fire are you going to make?
I'm not too big a fire.
Okay.
Just for supper.
Yeah. Awesome. Ooh, orange.
That's not to hit against.
Or get a wedge.
That's okay.
That's a nice fire.
Thank you. I'll make some corn. Well, no. The corn's already made.
It makes corn?
Makes corn.
I never knew that.
Isn't that awesome?
You know, that's the strangest but best looking corn I've ever seen.
Corn soaking in salt water right now.
Ow. I just realized by me making a video of this, am I as bad as the people that take pictures of the food they're about to eat?
Nope.
Cool. I guess this is taking video of food being made, so that's kind of different. Have I ever shown you guys these fossils that I found a long time ago? Probably when I was like 10 or so. It's really awesome. You can see a bone right there. You can see a big seashell. I believe this would be like moss or something. There's cat fur on it. I wonder why. Prehistoric cats, maybe. On the other side, you get more tiny fossils. It's pretty amazing. There's more bits of it, too. A while ago I cleaned the rust off this pipe wrench, but I never painted it, so let's paint it. I went outside to put my bicycle away, and this is so cool. The sun has gone down the horizon, but at this point we have all these clouds over here that are reflecting the light. So it should be extremely dark right now, I think. But we have a lot of light being reflected back. Now that's pretty cool. Yesterday when this happened, it was just kind of just like getting darker and darker. Oh. Totally forgot. Awesome. It could have done with a little bit more paint, but who cares? It's just to protect rust, not to look good. Well, my mom and Josh got the drainage thingy done and got the tube in underneath the gravel. Looks really awesome. So now we won't have issues with our driveway being a swamp. Unfortunately, though, we want to keep the trash people from taking the garbage cans over our driveway and breaking our pipe. So I'm going to be putting stakes in. And those are the stakes we'll be putting in the ground. All right? Or
Yep, close enough.
will it be temporary or permanent?
Maybe temporary.
Okay.
I'll fix something nicer. It's just for right now we're getting it all figured up.
Well, that sucks. The handle broke off my hammer. My good grandfather made that decades ago. It would look kind of weird putting a brand new store-bought handle on there, and I don't feel like making my own. And since I'm so lazy, I'll probably just whittle this down a little bit and shove it up in there. Wouldn't matter, it's only like an inch or so too short. Oh, the cat found a snake. Look at him over there. It's back there. Remember last Random Bits, I fixed my lawnmower, built a chain tensioner for it, and well, today I finally tried to use it. It drove 10 feet and broke again. This thing's really testing me. The sprocket went kaput. I mean, are you shitting me? Really? Yeah, at least it was a clean break. I mean, I don't know. Still, it pisses me off. And I bent up my chain tensioner I spent so much time making. A couple people have said that I need to get a new lawnmower, but to be honest, this entire lawnmower by itself is fine. It's just the drive system that has issues. To where, I mean, if I was going to get a brand new lawnmower, I would just rebuild this and make it electric or something, instead of just getting a new lawnmower. Although I am planning on building an electric lawnmower, but it'd be a lot smaller. It wouldn't be a riding lawnmower. Well, it certainly did munch this up. That's an easy fix. And as for this, I want to make sure it doesn't keep breaking on me. I'm gonna have to weld it back pretty good. For this weld, I'll be using, as you can see, 3 car batteries in series to give me 36 volts, and I'll be using, as usual, my 16th inch welding rods. Shit. Well, I wasn't expecting to melt it. Oh great, look at that, it cracked the sprocket again. Didn't even have to turn it on in order to do that. So this set of tongs is pinching the sprocket back together because it only cracked on one side. So that's under tension. Well, it's working nice now. The structural integrity of it's questionable, but oh well. We'll find out if it worked or not. And I quickly got this fixed, and I beveled the edges so that it would have less of a chance to catch on something. I think that should help. It's coming along nicely. I'm surprised that the sprocket's still usable. I think now it's time to go test it out. Well, that mowed the yard. Definitely didn't do it okay. It kept messing up the chain. Did that about 6 times. This chain tensioner just seems to be a bad design, because look at how much it's already worn down. It's scraping a lot. So, it's just not a very good design. I think I'll go with my original idea of just having a spring-loaded arm coming up from underneath to push this up. But, in this case, I'm wondering if maybe I don't even have to have it spring-loaded. Because if it's spring-loaded, it'll be having parts that'll be moving around, and it could break. Well, if I just weld it like right there, I just weld it solid, that probably should be okay. Well, I think that turned out really nicely. Let's go take it for a spin. Well, I think we're going to save this for another day then. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See ya!